manifest something. But sundan ko lang, isang very short question lang kay... there are reports that some consignees being used by importers are fictitious consignees. Nagbibigay ng pekeng pangalan, pekeng registration, at yun naman ay ina-accredit daw ng Bureau of Customs. Is that correct?
Your Honor, that should not be the case, Your Honor.
But
because there is a process of verification, Your Honor.
But would you agree with me that siguro hindi ngayon, but in the past, ginagamit yung ganitong strategy?
It is possible, Your Honor.
So you have records to show that indeed there were fake consignees or owners of companies that was used as consignee sa isang mga importation.
I don't have the records right now, Your Honor, but that is possible.
Okay, sige. Salamat po. Yeah.